Hello, my name is Scott Wilson and welcome to this online course in virtual reality game development. So over this course you're going to be learning how to make video games for a very special device, which is the Oculus Rift. The Oculus Rift is a virtual reality headset which gives you the kind of immersion that we are now seeing in games, not just in terms of graphic or audio fidelity, but also the sense of immersion that you're actually in an environment and you're able to experience this game. So virtual reality has been around for quite a long time, but it's only within the past couple of years that it's really been that's really blossomed, and that is really thanks to one company in particular. And there are other companies now that are making these type of headsets, but the big one, of course, is the Oculus Rift, which was originally a Kickstarter campaign, and it has grown exponentially over the past couple of years, including a takeover by the company Facebook. So there are other headsets that you can use in this course, if you have access to them, that is. So things you can try out is the HTC Vive, and you can also try the PlayStation Morpheus or the PlayStation VR, as it's been recently renamed. But in this course, the majority, or pretty much the entire focus, is on the Oculus Rift itself. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on. And currently at the moment, this is September 2015 that I've been recording this, and the current Oculus headset available is something called the DK2, which is the development kit model 2. If you have a development kit 1, that is fine as well. And those have been out for a couple of years now, and they're quite cheap to acquire now. But for the most recommended experience, I would recommend having a DK2, or if you're watching this a couple of months from now, then there may be indeed the final version of Oculus Rift. And if that happens, well then I will make a priority to update this course so that it is still relevant for the newer tech. So keeping virtual reality in mind, we are going to be developing a video game, and this might be your first time doing it. So this is really going to be a beginner's guide to making video games within a particular toolset or game engine. And we're going to be using something called Unity 5, which is a really popular game making application for between beginners to advanced game studios. So whether you've never done game development before, don't worry, because I will be going through everything in a lot of detail, and it's completely aimed for the beginners. Now, if you have made games before, this course will also be just fine for you, because you may be unaware of how to actually access Oculus Rift virtual reality for the particular game engine. And now it's quite easy, and I will show you the steps you need to get your games running on Oculus Rift. So with that, I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.